Hi there, hope you're doing good. So, in the last video, we looked at the main activity class and learned about the basics of the activity class. In this video, we look at the layout XML file. So, the layout XML file is referred to by the main activity class when it loads. So, as you can see here, the main activity specifies or tells Android to use activity main layout. Now when your app loads, I have the emulator already up and running. So as you can see, when the app loads, we see this text hello Android get displayed. Now how this happens? Now if you see the activity main XML file, you will find that Android has pre-generated lot of code for you. Now most of this code you might not need actually. So for now, and if you see, it also includes a content XML file. And this content XML file has the text which gets displayed. Now, for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all this stuff, just to show you how this should work. And I'm just going to copy paste the content XML, the content main XML file here. Okay, and I'm going to save it, and let's run and see what happens now. So since I have the emulator already running, it should be quick basically to view the result of this change. So let's see what happens. So the idea for now is to understand the basics. So now if you see, this becomes a plain view with the text. So all that code that we deleted, so it got rid of the on the top navigation bar, and there was a small icon over here. We don't need it for now. We'll add it when we have to. Now now the thing is, so you have this layout file, and the primary components of this XML file as of now are like relative layout and your text view. So this XML file basically tells Android how your UI should look like. Currently it's using a relative layout. We can also use linear layout, for example. So those are different types of layout, and then you have all these attributes, which are needed in order to uh, make it a proper layout file. And you have, for example, layout width, layout height, and stuff like that. And then you have your text view, which also has some attributes. So each UI element or each UI component has corresponding attributes. Let me try to add another text view to show you how this how this will show. So I'll say layout height. Don't worry if you don't get all these things which I am currently adding. You will gradually understand everything. And I'll just, or you can just copy paste the one which Android generated. So I'll say Ankur. Okay. So I've done this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to a linear layout. Just to give you an idea, so relative layout helps to position the elements relative to each other, whereas a linear layout helps you to position them either vertically or horizontally. So to make you understand, there is an attribute in linear layout called orientation. So I'm just going to choose vertical for now so that my text view displays one below the other. Let's save and run this for now and see how this shows up in our emulator. So the idea is that in the layout file you can add a lot of UI elements like buttons, radio buttons, checkboxes and stuff. So if you see, the text starts to display here. So I'll suggest that you go ahead and take a look at this. We'll explore this in detail in the next video, where I'm going to show you how to add a button, and then on click of button how you can call the main activity and display something or change something. So we are going to do all that in the next video. So hope you got a basic idea about the layout XML file. Go ahead and try it out on your own. Till next time, bye.